Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel and this is your 4th week exclusive love reading plus career reading for the month of July. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. We will be beginning with your personal life. So you have got the Apprentice and the Hierophant. I do see that you're very selfless in your relationship, or you are making a lot of efforts towards your relationships. If you're already in a relationship or marriage, you are bringing in the 100% you in your relationships without expecting anything in return, because of which there is peace and harmony in your relationship and it's only getting better and better. If you're in a relationship, you can get married this week, and if you're single, you are, finding, like, you're giving your 100% to find that right partner for you. As well, your efforts will be rewarded. I do see that the Hierophant is here, which means that there are 100% chance that you find that person this week, you get married this week, or you do some traditional ceremony this week. So you could be finalizing something with your partner, you could be getting engaged or married this week as well. Hierophant is a card of marriage. Hierophant is also a card of traditional ceremonies. So you are definitely celebrating something with each other, making maybe you're buying a home together, making a home, celebrating, decorating. A lot of happiness I see around you. It could be that you are celebrating the birth of your child or the pregnancy news as well. Whatever it is for you, it is showing me a very happy, peaceful life for you guys. Let's see what's happening in your career now. You've got the Neophyte and the Hangman. I do see that you are overthinking a lot, you're stressing a lot about a situation where somebody stabbed you in the back. It can be a business partner, colleague, or friend who maybe promised you something or took away your money that you have lended, or maybe you lost a lot of money in stocks. Whatever it is that you're going through, it is a feeling of pain, it is a feeling of betrayal, like you trusted somebody with your money or your career or your job and it did not go through. Well, this is a card which tells you that you have to accept and let go of that situation. You have to move on past that hurt, because if you keep on looking in the past, or you keep on holding to this negative energy, you're going to stop the better opportunities from coming your way. More money, better opportunity, right? Better circumstances, a better uh, job environment or work environment is coming your way only if you let go of what has happened. So acceptance is a major thing, where you accept that you made a mistake, you made the wrong call, or this person was not right for you, or you trusted them with your money, with your work, with your business, and they stabbed you in the back. It's all right. I know it's not okay, but there is something which is waiting for you. A better opportunity is right around the corner. Just let it go. Okay, that money, that opportunity is not going to come back, is what I see. So the sooner you let go of it, the sooner you can catch on what is coming towards you. And it is going to be much better than what you have lost. Trust me, your cards are very good, and I know it's easy to say to move on or to let go of the money or the hard earned success that you have, but you have to, because I see that a better opportunity is around the corner and you're only delaying it from happening. So yes, this is a beautiful week for you and a challenging week at the same time. If you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have very specific questions which are related to you, you can go ahead and book personal reading. I take personal readings as well. I do some extremely powerful rituals, and I give you some extremely powerful spiritual affirmations as well on a very budgeted price as well. I do have spiritual counseling sessions available. So if you're up for a counseling, you want one-on-one sessions, I will be with the help of your guardian angels giving you a remedy here. And I have host of services available. Every love package or career package, every package has a remedy, a free remedy to remove the blockages from your life. So if you think you're feeling stuck, you can take a spiritual counseling session, a blockage removal ritual, or a package where multiple questions will be answered, a fixed set of questions, and also a remedy will be given to you. Please check out the services below, and to make any booking, either email me or Instagram me directly. If you don't know my Instagram handle, it's the Moksha Raro. You can DM me. Check out the stories, because I keep on posting the prices on a daily basis. And guys, please subscribe me here. Please follow me on Instagram, because it's a new channel. Show some love. especially if you liked this video and resonated with it. So take care of yourself. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.